Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, I'm gonna show how to create this animation with using After Effects. Let's get started. So guys, first one, let's go to text and right here motion, clisation tool. I will use color yellow and go to align. Let's hold Ctrl, double click pen behind icon for move anchor point center. And for enable align, go to window and enable here. Clisation tool and click this align icon and this align icon. Okay, and in this time let's right mouse, composition settings, go to 3D render and choose render engine cinema 4D. Click OK and let's click this icon for 3D layer and open inside, and let's go to active camera, choose here first view for see deep and open geometry options and extrusion deep. Let's change 100 value. Okay, so right now I want to add shadow colors. For this, go to animate icon and side color RGB and go to eyedropper. Let's choose color, open color cube and choose here dark yellow. Okay, let's click OK and press C. Let's see. Nice. We have 3D text without any plugins. That's good. So in this time, let's back to view active camera and change quality quarter for now and go to window, open animation composer 3. If you have not this plugin, I will add link on description below. You can get it free. Let's click here and let's open starter presets and text layer, animate characters, and let's choose any overshot animation. I'm gonna use this overshot animation and we can click in or out. Also we can use both effects. Let's use both and close window. Let's see. Nice. And let's change view again here. Let's see. Okay, very good. And right now let's add some rotate animations. Back to active camera and go to first second, press R and create X and Y rotation. Change Y rotation 60 and go to 10 keyframes. For go to 10 keyframes, you can press hold shift, press page down keyboard and change Y rotation -30. Go to 10 keyframes again, change here 15. Again go to 10 keyframes, change here -7. Again 10 keyframes, 3, and let's keyframe 0. So there are more keyframes for realistic bounce animation or more dynamic animation. Select keyframes, make it easy or click F9. Let's see. Let's select work area. Let's see animation. Okay, that's good. And let's go to first second and change X rotation 60. Go to 10 keyframes, change -30. Next keyframe and 15. Next 10 keyframes -7.5. And let's keyframe 3 and this 0. And select X rotate keyframes, make it also easy and preview animation. Okay, not bad. And select these X keyframes, hold Alt and move to right for randomly keyframes. Let's see. Okay, I like it. So in this time, let's create new background with solid layer. Add name background and color. Let's choose color like this. Click OK, again click OK, move to behind of text layer. So in this time select this text layer, right mouse and pre-compose, add name text 3D. Click OK, back to main composition and go to FX preset, search effect glow and let's drag and use for text composition. And let's go to here for see backsides and let's change glow radius and glow intensity. Nice. And this glow settings Okay, not bad. Let's see. Very good. Colors, very fine. Okay. In this time, go to window, open animation composite array again, starter precoms, shape elements, and let's search here particle fireworks. Okay, here we go. Select this particle. Let's click add. Close window. And let's see. Move to left. Okay, use glow for particle and change glow settings. Let's see. Nice, very good. So guys, thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, leave comments and have a good days. Good luck.